Greetings, I'm Nora. Greetings, I am Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. Hopefully, y'all had a wonderful, wonderful week thus far. It is Friday Eve. It seemed like it got here fast, didn't it? Let's go ahead and see what y'all got going on with this anchor in this reading. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. And the first element that came out is water sign. Okay, we have water sign out here, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces at the bottom of the deck. I am definitely seeing a spiritual worker behind that. I'm showing secrets. We might be speaking of some sort of water sign that has secrets or something like that. Some sort of spiritual worker has secrets, has a secret or holding secrets or something like that. Let me see something. I'm gonna do this because what's happening? Clarify this water sign, please, Spirit. What's happening? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water sign. What's going on with the divine space? Family, friends, and collective. What's happening with this water sign? What's going on with this water sign, please, Spirit? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. One more. Water sign. All right. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing definitely there's an opposition or something like that. Maybe there's a scuffle. Maybe you got in a scuffle, getting in a scuffle, Lord forbid. But I'm definitely seeing that you definitely have an op in your energy. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm also showing clarifying this water sign is something significant to a house or your house, someone else's house. Number 20 could be significant. And I'm seeing this is someone that you rarely know. I'm seeing, hello, this is someone that you're meeting or just meeting or something. And I'm seeing pathway. So it seems like this is an op or someone that you're getting ready to meet or that you're meeting or just met or something. And it's tied to your house. And it seems like this person is possibly trying to get in the way of some sort of pathway, either yours or you're trying to get in between someone else's pathway or something like that. I'm definitely seeing like there is some sort of journey here. Yeah, I'm definitely showing that there is some sort of like bright future or some sort of bright path or something like that. Like it's like almost like a light at the end of the tunnel type of energy is what I'm showing here. We have the sun out there. There's an energy of joy, freedom, peace, happiness, prosperity, abundance. Let's go ahead and clarify this a little bit further. Ah, clarify this house. We're gonna grab one of these cards. What is this? The Panther Oracle. Clarify house. Excuse me. What's going on with house, please, Spirit? Clarifying this house energy, I'm definitely seeing an energy of online community. So it seems like whoever you are, you're a very private individual. Number 66 could be significant, and it look like you have some sort of online community. You follow an online community. I'm also seeing an energy of separation. I don't know, maybe you may have separated from someone. Clarify hello. All right. Now, clarifying this hello energy, I'm seeing an energy of honesty. I don't know. There's an energy of some sort of alliance. So, whoever this person is coming to meet you, they're trying to come in as someone that you could trust, that's honest, coming in some sort of alliance. I'm seeing the number 8 right here again. So, 88 could be significant at the bottom of the deck. I'm showing a trap. I'm seeing trap. Okay. So, it seems like whoever this person is trying to trap you. They're trying to allure you, trick you, put you in a situation where you're becoming a victim. Number 78 could be significant. It's what I'm seeing here. So it seems like this is a secret in regards to a spiritual worker who is a water sign. Something that is possibly being hidden or something that is hidden in regards to someone that is in your energy. Let's go in a little bit further. Utilize the tarot. When you mind clarifying this house and this introverted energy, so it seems like whoever you are, you're definitely an introvert. Okay. Let's go ahead and clarify this. Clarify house and introvert. House, introvert, whoever you are, you spend a lot of time in the house. You don't really go out or anything or mess with anybody. All right. You might do have some, like I said, you might have some sort of online community or some sort of online following or something like that. Clarify this house and introvert. Okay. House, introvert. Clarify house, introvert. One more, please, prayer for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. I'm definitely seeing an energy of you guys moving or just moved or moving or something like that. I'm seeing an energy of you moving forward. There's energy of possibly travel or something like that. I'm also seeing an energy of somebody approaching you with a love offer. or trying to get to know you in some form or fashion. This person, again, is trying to be someone that they're trying to be somebody that you are looking for, someone that is compatible with you. I'm seeing an energy of Nine of Swords. I'm seeing regret, remorse, anxiety, in a tower moment, things happening unexpected. This person think they was going to get away with it or something. There's an energy of self-sabotage, self-sacrifice. This is an energy of deception. And you are coming out as the high priestess. Again, whoever you are, you're very discerning, you're very psychic, you're very intuitive. This is the energy of whoever you are. Spirit reveal the hidden to you. It seems like your spirit guides definitely don't play about you and you're coming out in your energy, Queen of Cups energy. Cancer, strong Cancer can be significant. But like I said it before, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be significant. Clarify this hello and this alliance energy. What's going on? Clarify hello, alliance energy, please, Spirit. Hello, alliance energy. Whoever this person is definitely someone that has a male phallus. So I'm seeing a male phallus here, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like this person is very there's energy of them moving slow or treading slowly or taking things slowly. Clarify this hello and alliance. And I'm seeing judgment being called on a situation where there is some sort of enlightenment to this person's tricks. Yeah, it seems like whoever this person is, they might try to, I don't know, this person has a schlong. I'll be honest, like whoever this person is, I feel like they be trying to manipulate and utilize and control people sexually, utilizing their some sort of male wand or something like that. That's what I'm saying here. Putting you in a situation where you have to decide or choose whether you want to, like, do you want me to stay? Do you want me to go or something like that? This person trying to make it seem like there is some sort of opportunity of yours. This is a good opportunity, or if you don't choose me, if we don't decide to interact with one another, you're missing out on some sort of opportunity or something like that. But this person is coming out as some sort of player with the Nine of Wands. This is like some sort of um yeah, like I said, some sort of player. Whoever this person is very flirtatious. I'm feeling like this person very rebellious, but move with a lot of passion, has a lot of people in their energy, very immature, very immature emotionally, is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing an energy of you feeling left out in the cold with dealing with whoever this person is. There's going to be an energy of you mourning over, even entertaining whoever this person is. Clarify pathway and trap. This person trying to, like I said, try to trap you or block your pathway to some sort of new beginning. Clarify pathway trap. TikTok collective. Pathway trap. All right, I am seeing a Queen of Swords energy out here. Air sign, masculine or feminine energy. Clarify pathway trap. So it could be like an Aquarius, strong Aquarius, or it could be Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy. I'm definitely seeing an energy of this person coming in to communicate, or will be coming in to communicate, is what I'm showing here with the Page of Wands. Yeah, I'm seeing like whoever this person is, they may try to come in and communicate directly, face to face, or they might send a DM or some sort of text message or something like that. Because whoever this person is may be experiencing some sort of adversities in their life. Okay, pathway, trick, trap. Yeah. And I'm seeing you standing your own. There's energy of, I'm seeing you guys being strong. There's energy of being brave. There's energy of you being courageous. And I'm seeing you abandoning whatever they have to say. There's energy of you guys turning your back on whoever this person is and walking away or something like that. Or maybe just declining the call or something like that. I'm seeing you not even feeding it or giving it any type of energy, is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, it seems like this person trying to get some sort of rise out of you. With this Page of Pentacles, it's like they just, saying little things, breadcrumbing in the situation. Is what I'm seeing here to see if they can get some sort of rise on you out of you or something like that. Because I'm seeing you guys taking a leap of faith in a different direction. I feel like whoever this person is possibly wants some sort of new beginning with you. But as I can see, you guys are taking this leap by yourself, or you may have an animal or something like that, or this could be like your spirit guide. That's what I'm seeing here. I could be speaking to an emperor, like a father figure or something of that nature, or it could be a father figure that may be significant. With this emperor energy, like I said, energy is fluid. It could be masculine or feminine energy, but nonetheless, I am definitely seeing a closing to a cycle. This is like an ending of some sort of contract. Yep, a death to a situation is what I'm seeing here. Yep. And it seemed like it definitely took some sort of time. I'm seeing an energy of patience, especially when it comes to things balancing out and you severance and ties with whoever this person is that's trying to place their burdens on you because you have this new beginning. Okay, with this wheel of fortune, you have a new beginning of happiness, joy, peace, and freedom. Didn't I say that? And here goes somebody who's trying to come into your life who is nothing more than an op, and they see you as a rich girl. They see there's an energy of abundance all around you. Number 12 could be significant, and they're dealing with karma. They thought they was gonna come over and bump and rub shoulders with you to try to get some of that karma off their back. Absolutely not.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.